Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you play Story of My Life on guitar. First, place your capo on the 3rd fret. Then, we will learn 5 essential open chords, a minor, C, F, G, and D minor. Next, we'll tackle a versatile strumming pattern. Finally, we'll put it all together, covering the song's structure and offering practice tips for a smooth performance. To begin, attach your capo firmly on the 3rd fret. This sets the correct key for the song. The core chords are a minor, C major, F major, G major, and D minor. Focus on clear finger placement for each. Practice switching between a minor and C, then F and G, and finally D minor, ensuring each chord rings out cleanly. For the main rhythm, try a down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. This versatile pattern works well for the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Keep your strumming hand loose and relax to achieve a natural, flowing sound. Practice slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed as you become more comfortable with the rhythm and chord changes. The song follows a clear structure: intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and bridge. Listen to the original to understand the timing and feel. For the intro, you can try a simplified fingerpicking pattern or just a single strum per chord. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to practice. Consistent effort will significantly improve your playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.